Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana. So today's on Friday. Kama kawaida, we're going to do a video and we're going to be making them homemade mask with turmeric, milk and honey. So disclaimer, before you do this, make sure you don't have white white gel or white nails, you know what I mean. And make sure you're wearing something that you won't regret kuichafua because turmeric is very pigmented and you're going to spoil your hands and your clothes, so kidogo kianguka kwa nguo ita spoil. So make sure you wear something that you won't feel a pinch ukiona imechafuka, because inaweza toka ama ikose, because you know it's very pigmented. Hata your nails, make sure umevaa kitu, ama kama utaenda freestyle kama, make sure you don't have white gel or cutex. So watch till the end, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to view my other videos. Yeah, watch till the end. This is 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them together to get the consistency that you want. So guys, this is the result after mixing it, and yeah, so you mix it until it is well mixed. So let's do this. So I'm going to be I'm not looking directly at you guys, I'm looking at the where I can view myself, ili niskafanya mess, and yeah. So this helps in hyperpigmentation. Na tukaa sisi wenye unapenda vitu za homemade, wenye kidogo za duka ni expensive. Again, this thing is highly pigmented, so karada, and isifike kwa eyebrows, because sitaki yarudi nywele ama eyebrows. So nakwambia it's highly pigmented. So after applying it, you're going to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or even 30 minutes. I would love it. And then after you make up for that long, you wash it. I feel so awkward. Venye nakaribia screen ikijiangalia, jua nakaa tu funny. Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you? Kama una watch tu ni support. Support this small YouTuber. This is real struggle, man. Trying to bring something to you guys. It's real struggle. Oh. I almost got it in my eye. Nimeweka hiyo bila kuvaa specs. No, I'm short-sighted. I think this is nice. This is okay. So this is okay. My backing. I think I made too much.
You to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both
I don't want this video to be too long, so I am going to trim it up because I want to.
love will ever grow without trying, without trying. And how we ever see if we are meant.
So we're going to let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, even 30 minutes, depending on how you want it. And we're going to wash it off after 20 minutes, and I'm going to be back to show you the results. So this is the results after applying it. So we're going to stay for 10 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and I'm going to be back to show you the results. So stick around. I should quickly show you how I look before I wash it. My face is so sticky. Hata nasikia imeshika skin. It's so sticky, and it's about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes since the last time tulionana tukipaka. So I want to wash it. It's so sticky hadi kuongea ni shida. It's so sticky. So let me wash it, and I'm going to show you the outcome right now. So stick. So we are done, guys. We're all clean, feeling so fresh. You should try this at home. This is so good for your skin. You should try this at home, and you can see I'm even glowing. I feel so fresh by this, so you should try this at home. Thank you for watching till the end. Till the next video, don't forget to watch my other videos. Bye. I love you.